Tired of missing that perfect shot because your Nikon Z30's battery is always dead? Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to properly charge your Nikon Z30 battery using the MH30 charger, so you can keep shooting without interruption. First, ensure your camera is turned off, then locate the battery chamber door on the bottom of your Z30, open it, and gently remove the NEL-5 battery. Now, take a close look at your battery and the MH30 charger. Notice the matching arrows or symbols. These indicate the correct orientation for insertion. Align these symbols and carefully slide the battery into the charger until it clicks into place. Don't force it, it should slide in smoothly. Next, plug the MH30 charger into a standard wall outlet. You should see the charging indicator light illuminate. A blinking light usually indicates it's charging. The charging time will vary, but typically it takes around 2 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge a depleted battery. The indicator light will usually turn solid or change color to indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the charger, remove the battery, and carefully reinsert it into your Nikon Z30, making sure it clicks securely. And that's it. You're now ready to power on your Z30 and get back to capturing amazing photos and videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nikon Z30 tips and tricks.